For many homeowners in Carencro, Louisiana, one of the greatest joys of homeownership is enjoying the area's beautiful surroundings, from lush greenery and colorful sunsets to peaceful neighborhood landscapes. But if your current windows are outdated, foggy, or poorly placed, you might not be seeing your home's full potential. That's where modern window installation comes in. Today's advanced window designs do more than just improve energy efficiency. They enhance natural light, expand visibility, and create a stronger connection between your home's interior and the outdoors. If you're ready to make the most of Carencro's scenic beauty, here's how upgrading to modern windows can completely transform your living experience. Expanding natural views with larger window designs. Older homes often have smaller windows or outdated frame styles that limit visibility. Modern window installation offers larger, more open designs that maximize your view without sacrificing comfort or energy efficiency. Picture windows are perfect for showcasing Carencro's natural surroundings. Their expansive, fixed glass design floods your living room or dining area with sunlight while framing outdoor scenery like a piece of art. Bay and bow windows extend outward from your home, offering a panoramic view and extra interior space. They're ideal for reading nooks or breakfast areas where you want to enjoy the landscape year-round. Sliding or casement windows create wide openings for ventilation and unobstructed sightlines, letting in both fresh air and outdoor light. These modern window styles transform ordinary walls into stunning focal points that bring the outside in, perfect for homeowners who love open, airy spaces. Improving light and ambiance. Natural light has a powerful effect on how your home feels. Modern windows are designed to maximize sunlight while maintaining comfort and temperature control. High-performance glass options, like low-E, low emissivity coatings, allow sunlight to brighten your rooms without letting in excess heat. This is especially important in Carencro's warm, humid climate, where keeping interiors cool and comfortable is key. By increasing the amount of natural light, your home feels larger, more welcoming, and visually connected to the outdoors. The result is a brighter atmosphere that enhances mood, highlights decor, and even helps reduce reliance on artificial lighting during the day. Reducing glare and protecting interior spaces. While bigger windows bring in more light, they can also create challenges like glare or UV damage. Fortunately, modern window technology makes it possible to enjoy your scenic views without compromise. Windows with UV protective coatings block up to 99% of harmful rays, preventing fading and discoloration on furniture, flooring, and artwork. Tinted glass options can further reduce glare while maintaining crystal clear visibility. These innovations allow you to keep your blinds or curtains open longer, giving you full access to Carencro's beautiful daylight, without worrying about overheating your home or damaging your interiors. Enhancing energy efficiency without sacrificing style. Many homeowners assume that large windows mean higher energy costs, but with modern installation techniques and advanced materials, the opposite is true. Today's energy-efficient windows use double or triple glazing, argon gas insulation, and airtight seals to prevent energy loss. This means you can enjoy expansive, floor-to-ceiling glass without sacrificing comfort, or seeing a spike in your utility bills. In fact, by reducing heat transfer and air leaks, your new windows can help regulate indoor temperatures year-round, keeping your Carencro home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Blending indoor and outdoor living. Modern window design is about more than just functionality. It's about creating harmony between your indoor spaces and the natural environment. Large windows and sliding glass doors blur the boundaries between your home's interior and exterior, making patios, decks, and gardens feel like seamless extensions of your living area. Imagine relaxing in your family room while watching a Louisiana sunset through broad, panoramic windows, or hosting guests with a view that makes every occasion feel more inviting. With modern installation, your home becomes part of the landscape instead of being separated from it. Final thoughts. When it comes to maximizing scenic views, modern window installation is one of the most effective and rewarding upgrades a Carencro homeowner can make. New windows not only enhance your home's aesthetics but also improve light, comfort, and energy efficiency, all while connecting you more deeply to your surroundings. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of picture windows, the versatility of sliding models, or the charm of bay and bow designs, professional installation ensures every detail is perfectly aligned for beauty and performance. In a place as naturally vibrant as Carencro, your windows should do more than protect your home. They should frame the world outside. With modern designs and expert installation, you can enjoy the best views Louisiana living has to offer, right from the comfort of your own home.